Hi everyone, I'm Julia. So I'm going to show you today how I use the vitamin C square serum booster. This one is a pure vitamin C serum booster, so it boosts up your serum, any serum that you can use. For me, I love to use vitamin C serum already. I've been using for 9 years, so this is like one bottle 1 month, so I use for about 9 times 12, so I use much bottle like this. So I have always been using this because this one have to stimulate collagen production, so that's why it will give you that younger looking skin. So plus I always mention to my customer, my consultant, that it doesn't matter how much percentage of vitamin C is inside, but this one is stated pure vitamin C, so it's 100%. But outside brands they will say it's vitamin C, but it doesn't matter how many percentage it is inside the product. It's a matter of how stable the vitamin C can be after it's exposed to the air, and ours can mix with water. So I'm going to show you how I use this product. So I already done my cleansing. My cleanser, I'm using this 4-in-1 cleanser. They have to cleanse, exfoliate and tone at the same time. I love this Timewise 3D cleanser. And then, so I skipped toner already. So I already put my softener, soften the skin, prep the skin for the next step. So, and then next, right, I'm going to use my vitamin C square. You see this? Pure 100% vitamin C serum booster. Okay, and then why I love this, right? Okay, I'm going to show you. I use water. Okay, because the product is so pure, right, I dare to use water. Okay, and then I'm going to mix. You can't see anymore because it dissolved with the water. And then after that, right, you make sure that is all the squares are dissolved. You won't see that squarish thing. Okay, then after that, right, I mix with vitamin C. I like to put a lot thickly at night. Okay, and then you don't forget your neck as well. It's very good for those who care about their neck, because you want to be line free here, right, but you also want to be line free here. So this is my secret to looking younger. Okay, and then, right, you know what I do? I put it on my hand, because, right, women we look at 3 things for aging: the eyes, then this part, and then the neck, and then the hands. So right now my hands are so moisturized with the vitamin C serum, so you can see it looks younger. It doesn't look like 42 years old woman. Okay, good. So after that, I'm done. So I forgot to bring my lifting serum here. Okay, anyway, you can use your rose serum, rose infinity serum, which we just gonna launch soon, mid-March. So if you want to try, let me know. You will love it because it hydrates the skin as well as give you that lifting effect. So if you want that hydrating and lifting effect, because a lot of women, right, if you notice, if your pores are rounded, right, it means you are lack of water, and then you produce more oil in the sense, because your surface of the skin needs more hydration. So that's why if you can PM me to try the rose serum, you will love it. And then for me, right, at night I will use this night cream. Excuse me. All right, sorry. So I use this night cream every night. So this one has retinol and argan oil, so it helps to firm up the skin like mini Botox, but you don't feel pain at all. It's pain free. And then you just press it, and then you dot 5 dots. So if you want to correct any area that has more lines, so that's what I do. And then you can actually hold it for 5 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, to firm up the skin. So this is my night routine that I do. And then if you have any questions, you can let me know. And then for me, right, I use my eye cream. This is my favorite eye cream. It helps to firm up the eye area, depuff the eye area, and reduce dark circles, and also fine lines and wrinkles. So what you do is you squeeze a little bit, just like that, good enough for one eye. And then what you do is, a little bit goes a long way, no need to put too much, yeah? Then after that, you just move upwards like this, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to do the other side. So if you have any questions regards to our products, please let me know, and then I could help you in the sense to take care of your skin and make you look younger. Basically, this one has plant stem cells inside also, and then helps you to firm up the skin. And then you also have hyaluronic acids to hydrate the skin and also reduce fine lines and wrinkles because of the peptide. So for the excess one, you can just move up like this. Okay, all right, so good night. Have a good dreams, and then have a good weekend. Bye.